Alright, all done. Took me about an hour, me and the kid and my wife. What a difference now, look at it. You can actually see the friggin' cars. Look at that. There we go. Look at the big snow mounds. Alright. I'm tired now. Took me about an hour to do this, but at least you can see my cars now. That's my car. I'll show you something cool on my car. Check it out. My back windshield, back window. Friday the 13th sticker. This one says I'd rather be watching Friday the 13th. And a Jason hockey mask, huh? Check it out. Pretty cool, right? Alright, there you go. Here's my wife's car. Brand new. Of course, she drives a better car than me. Well, that's typical of a woman. So there you go. Look at this big wall of snow behind here. Holy crap. Damn. All these cars, they're buried still. These are all the neighbors. They gotta do what we just did. There's a plow truck. Ah, boy, it's still coming down. Yeah, this sucks. Well, at least I got the cars cleaned off. What are you doing?
Going in.
Going in? How come? Tell everybody what you think of New England weather.
It blows.
What?
It blows.
It blows. Maybe that's why I'm out here.
Can we move now?
What, you want to go in? First you got to dive in that snow pile.
No, because then I won't be able to get up.
I'll help you. Go ahead. Dive right in, right there. Come on, do it quick.
I can't have no energy.
Well, you got energy now. You got to dive in, damn it. No, dive. Don't lay in it.
Yeah.
How about if I push you?
No! I gotta go bake my cookies.
What?
I'm gonna go bake cookies.
You want to go bake cookies? Alright. There you go. Oh, this sucks. This snow's gonna be here till goddamn May. It's not even winter yet. Alright everybody, if you're somewhere warm, enjoy yourselves. Be happy you don't have to deal with this bullshit. Oh, this poor sucker. Shit. What the hell are you doing, moron? Jump in the snow pile before we go in, right there. Look, go run from there. No, start down the street. I'm gonna tape you the whole way. And then dive. Like right where you get to about the orange shovel right there. Yeah. Take from there, dive into that snow pile right there. Go. What an idiot. If I told you to jump off the friggin' bridge, would you do that too, moron? Alright everybody, see you later.